Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about DeepSeek and you will click. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.